front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. All you need to do is go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to switch it on or turn it off, and tap on pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, tap on this icon next to your connected device and check out all of those options. You can also tap on unpair and then connect to it again the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!